guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my IPSY unboxing video that I do once a month. I've probably been with IPSY for like 7 years at this point, and I just love IPSY. I love getting new things every single month. And yes, I know that they have like combined with BoxyCharm. That's beside the point. I still love being able to get the little subscriptions. Well, this is actually the only subscription that I actually still continue to get. I used to do others as well, but I just couldn't let go of IPSY. I think I tried at one point, but then I was like, no, I really enjoy being able to try out new things. So with all of that being said, let's get into this box. Now we are fixing to head over to my bathroom because there is some skincare in here and I can't do it right here. So fair warning, my bathroom, I haven't got a chance to update yet, and it's yellow and the lighting is horrible. So please excuse that, look past all of that, and let's get into this box. This is a face mask from IYS Beauty. You're supposed to apply a thin layer, let it dry down, let it sit for 15-20 minutes, wipe it off with a warm towel. It's like a normal mask. It dries down, you wipe it off, your face feels really smooth. Mine felt really smooth. I like that it doesn't feel super thick. Now, whenever it was on, I could definitely feel the tightening. Like I would try, because I brought it to like right here on my neck, and I would try to like do my head like that. And literally it was so stiff, like I could not move anything. So that was my first time ever using it. And so far I really like it. It says to use it twice a week. So here's to trying it out a few more times. This is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Eye Brightening Serum. I've tried their stuff before. People rave about it. I think it was like the watermelon glow something that came out like years ago. I didn't see anything fantastic about it. Kind of like this one. I mean, it says to put it all over your eye, like underneath, even up to your eyebrow, and then right here where your 11s would be. I really didn't notice anything. Now I did keep it on and then put my makeup on top of it. So I don't know if that is something that you are not supposed to do or not. So, but I used it. I probably will not continue to use this. This will probably go in my little box of things that I give my friends and family. I don't know. I just think some things are kind of gimmicky, and I'm sorry, but I think that this is right there with the rest of them. Just, it's not really necessary. Like with a mask, yes, this shrinks your pores. Like it's actually like a visible thing. This, I'm not sure. This Keys Soul Care Tinted Lip Balm is amazing. I did put this on at the end of the skincare, which this is a balm, and it says to apply after your ritual, which is kind of weird, but I'm assuming it means after your skincare routine, you apply this to hydrate your lips, and then it is tinted. So, believe it or not, I put it on at the end of that last clip, and I put it on again after I did my makeup, and it is beautiful. Absolutely love it. It's very, very not nutrient. How do you say that? Very nourishing feeling. Like, my lips feel awesome. They're not dry. The color is awesome. Normally tinted lip balms, they're definitely more sheer. This one was really, really good. You see how it comes off? So put the lid on there before I make a mess. It comes off really dark right here, but then whenever you like blot it out, like I didn't blot it out on my lips, I just kind of left it like it was just because it's so pretty. But I mean, it is definitely a winner. Like, out of the other products so far, this one has, oh, and it's in the color Inspiration. So yeah, Alicia Keys brand, awesome, love it. I've tried other things from the brand that I guess I wasn't necessarily a fan of, but that one definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, continuing on with the other products in the box, we have got a Too Faced lipstick, and I haven't opened this yet. Oh my gosh, how cute! It's in a heart shape. Love that. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Look, here, let me hold on to this. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna need to go wipe this lip color off so that we can test this out. Hang on. Okay, so I just wiped that tint off, and it's almost like it stained my lips, so that's cool. Okay, so this is also in the shade Too Femme. I'm gonna try to use the camera. I don't have a mirror with me. Ooh. Okay, so it has like a weird taste to it. Oh no, I think this is too berry. What do we think? I don't like it. Not on myself. This is kind of seems like a color maybe my mom would wear. She always liked the really bright pinks like this, like a berry. It's like almost the same color as the IPSY box. The last and final thing that came in my IPSY box is a huge bottle of lotion, and it's from the brand Dermalactives, and it's an energizing body lotion, so that's interesting. The bottle is huge. Like, look at that. Okay, it's got the seal on there. Uh-oh. Ah. Hang on. Ugh. Okay. Pull my sleeves up here. Smells okay. Like, it smells like kind of scented, but not like a lot. Let's do this. Yep. All right, let's put the lid back on that before I accidentally squeeze it out everywhere. Oh, I just put self-tanner on too. Oh Lord, I hope this doesn't mess it up. Let's move my sleeves up. It smells okay. Kind of, I don't know. What does that smell? Kind of smells like soap, like bar soap. Definitely smells like bar soap, like Dial or something. Well, it's a lotion. It will get used. I promise you, lotions get used up around here for sure. And then I don't have to go buy another one. So, guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of weird video. Like, I would definitely say out of 10, I would say this is probably a 5. Like, lotion is cool. I didn't choose this one. I'm pretty sure this is one that was coming automatically. The charcoal face mask, pretty cool. I'll probably continue to use that. Oh, I didn't say this, but the lotion definitely will use. Lip balm is probably my most favorite product out of the whole thing. Like, definitely recommend. Check these out. I don't know what they cost. I know they sell keys at Ulta. I'm pretty sure they sell it at Ulta. I don't know about Sephora. I have not been to a Sephora in years. Like, years. It seems that every place that we move to, they just don't have one. And so I have not been into a Sephora in years. This, I don't even know where the lipstick went. This lipstick is definitely going in my friend's giveaway bag or box. I will pass that along to someone else. These, it's a toss-up. Like, I kind of want to try it, but then this one is probably not going to get used. I might try it for a couple more times, but usually with skincare, if I don't see like immediate type results, I usually just don't use it anymore. Anyway, so this is probably just going to go straight into my giveaway box that I do for friends and family from all of my makeup that I've tested but I don't really like, and then somebody else might like it. Anyways, with all of that said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you later. Bye.